Right, got it. Himanshu, thanks a lot for joining us with that quick technical check on the market. With that, let's now shift focus to some brokerage commentary on the outlook for various sectors. Sonia and Ekta are going to take us through what's going on in the auto space and also in the pharma space. This is a Jefferies note. So, Sonia, let me come to you first. They're sounding quite optimistic.
They are. In fact, Jefferies has a very bullish note that's coming in on the auto sector itself. So let's just quickly get that up on board for you. They believe that the auto sector is going to see big growth as we move into the new year. There are strong stock returns that are expected as well. Now, across pockets, these are diverse views coming in. On one hand, I just want to put it on board. On one hand, the Jefferies view is positive, while on the flip side, there's Nomura who's come out with a view that is quite negative on the sector. So there are diverse views. But Jefferies says that from the worst slowdown in decades, we are seeing a demand recovery come through across pockets, and hence they're factoring in an earnings upside as well. Now, they expect a 12 to 18% volume compounded growth across sectors, whether it's passenger vehicles, two-wheelers and trucks. This is from FY23 all the way to FY25, and they are also looking at certain pockets. So they see a strong top line growth with an improving margin performance, and that should fuel a double-digit EPS compounded growth for most of the OEMs. They also prefer the electrification theme, so that's the theme that they're looking at very closely. TVS Motor and Tata Motors, amongst all the incumbents, are the major players in this theme and will continue to benefit from that. Their preferred buys include TVS Motor, they like Tata Motors, they also like Eicher Motors, and they also prefer Maruti. Despite the slowdown that Maruti has seen in their retail sales, it continues to be a top pick for them. So very optimistic on the auto sector across the board. But I also want to put on board that, there are diverse views in the market. We also have Nomura yesterday coming out with a cautious report on the sector.
Okay, so that's the outlook on autos. Let's talk about the pharmaceuticals sector. Ekta is now joining in, and